Hello everyone, welcome to TradeLyser's How To series. In this video, we're going to see how to set auto calculation of tax and fees for the account. Basically, what we have provided in TradeLyser is we have provided the option where the taxes will be calculated automatically for each and every order, and also you can set or predefine the fees so that can also be calculated. Normally, in all the brokers, you see that when the trades has been taken, you will be seeing the profit and loss, but eventually that's not the net one. Later in the day, they'll be calculating the taxes, fees and everything, and the next day you'll be able to see what exactly is the real net profit or loss that you have been gained. So what we have done in TradeLyser is basically we have made it simple. We have done a high level calculation based on all the factors that has been already available, and we calculate the tax fees as per the broker, which you can set it to yourself because each of the broker has a different set of fees for different users. So with all this, while the sync is happening between the broker and the TradeLyser, we take all the details, we slice it out, we add these tax and fees calculations, and then you'll be able to see the final net profit or the loss for that particular trades taken. Let's quickly see into the demo. Head on to the account section. In the accents at the right, you can able to see the option called set fees and tax. So you can set the fees over here. For example, Zerodha is having 20 rupees as fees for each and every order. And if you want to add any slippages based on your calculation, you want to add some slippage of 5 rupees or 10 rupees so that you want to calculate it, you can do that as well. And if you want to put a standard tax value, you can put it also. Otherwise, you can enable this calculate tax automatically so that it's been completely automatically calculated. Or if you don't want any of these things, exclude all these calculations so that you'll simply take the whole number instead of tax and everything into your consideration for the journal. You can do that also, so that clicking on exclude fees, tax and slippages, it is not going to calculate. Now click on save. So the account has been synced with all these configurations. Now you can go ahead and sync trades. So it is going to show 20 rupees it has been taken into consideration, and auto calculation of the rules will be taken, and 0 for the slippages. If you still want to override this at this for this particular sync for the particular day, you can just click on this. Otherwise, you can click on fetch orders. Now you can able to see the order has been executed. You can go to the dashboard. You can able to see the account value for today, which has been synced, is like 93 rupees. Even though you can go and you can able to see in the position 230 rupees was the profit that has been taken. Now the taxes and everything has been calculated, and you're able to see the net value of 93 rupees as your profit. Now let's take the other scenario. I'll still go ahead on manage account. I'll click on clear the trades so that I'll clear the existing trades which has been onboarded. And now I'll go ahead and override the settings. I'll simply click on exclude fees, tax, slippages, calculations in the order processing. Click on save. Now let me go ahead and again sync the trades. Now the trades has been executed. You can able to see 230.75, which is the exact value which has been available in the Zerodha account as well. So this is the difference between enabling that option to calculate the tax or to skip calculating the tax and the fees, so that you can have your calculations and you can able to see the metrics accordingly. Hope you like watching this video. See you all in the next episode. Thank you.